Hey everybody, today's quick craft is going to be taking some of your favorite books that you read. I read these often, but I have found out that on the inside of these awesome books is a clear, clean slate. So what I'm going to do is turn this inside out and make the dust cover. Just go a little backward for the time being, for the holidays. And we've got all our books covered in white, looking good and ready to have some fun with. Picked up the holiday style Christmas sayings for $1. Let's see here. Now we're just going to pick which ones we want to wear. It might be too much. I'm going to go for deck the halls and see how that works out first. Okay. Kitty. If I can get it out. Okay. There we go. A little static clean. But put it on the spine here. And mash it all down good. Now be thinking about, after you get all your pretties on here, and you put them all down at the left, right, yes, your other left. That would be my right. Yeah, let's see if I can save that. And we'll do a little more in a few minutes to decorate this cute little craft. Now I'm doing this all in real time so that you know how fast you can do this craft and how many you can make. I mean, this is just three. You could make a set for a friend, for your mom, as a gift, and you know, you could get a lot out of that $1. Okay. Now, I have decided I want some tartan plaid wire ribbon, which is very helpful. The wire makes it easier to move around. Alright, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to fold it a little over half to about where that is. A little bit, you know, stuffed under so it doesn't show. I actually do have Welsh, Scotch, Irish in my blood. Recently did all that cool find your ancestry business, which was pretty neat. Once I get these tied together, I'm gonna think they are gonna behave a little more. Now, don't get me to lying, but I'm gonna assume. Now, see how pretty that looks? That looks more like a ribbon, just like it is. We can move it. I want to move it over so that the hall shows. And that was the point of that. And up here, I'm going to decide how this bow is supposed to be, because I do want a bow. How it be, no idea. Let's tie it again here. I don't think I made enough. I think I'll use that as a tail. I think we could just use that as a tail and cut another tail and actually tie another bow to put on top of there. Okay, went and got some scissors here, so I'm going to cut off about the same amount over here. We're going to start with as tails. And I'm going to do a little granny type knot here so that my tails are going the same way, or not the same way, but that it's going to be a little more secure up here. And get the tails going whatever way they want them to, since they are wired, I can move them around a little bit. Okay, right now I like it like that. Now we're gonna make a bow. Let's make a bow. Let's make a bow. Instead, do I want to make a bow and put it on top of here? I'm trying to make this where we can untie it and have all the bows saved. How many other people do that? Oh, save the paper, save the bow, save the ribbon. I try to save it all, and I don't know why. It must be the crafter in my blood. But let's see. We can. We'll go under here. I say we will go under here. Underneath all this mess. Get on under there. Get. And get back over here. And perhaps tie a bow on top of here. Let's see, what have I learned about tying bows? Not much. Okay, we're gonna twist here and put that under the bottom. And once it's twisted, we're gonna make a bow loop, and we're going to twist it where we want our loop. And we have a portion of a bow. I actually don't think I like how this is turning out. Why does something simple have to just come out so... You know what I mean? I know you do. Alright, I'm just going to cut that and figure something amazing out. Like twine. Oh, yes. Well, this is not really twine. This is, I guess, wire. This is wire from the Dollar Tree dilly-doos, pine cones, that I am going to try and make use of, because and it's given me help too. Alright, now I'm going to be done with the ribbon, and I'm going to I think I'm going to dovetail this end and this end and call them the tails. Okay, there. And adjust them as seeing fit there. Attempt to put in a little pretty stuff. I believe I would like some berries. I love berries. A little holly leaf. What do you think? I think so too. I'm going to take this holly leaf plastic off here and expose where this hole is and decide which holly I want to put in there. Holly. If you don't know where that comes from, you're too young. If you do know where that comes from, tell me in the comments. All right, there we go.
Please subscribe and hit that bell.